Okay, just bear with me. I want to try something new, and I'll come back at the end and I'll ask for your opinions. Welcome, friends. It's Dawn with For Grace Creations. I hope you have enjoyed this project. Let me know what you think about the way I did this video and the editing today. So the thing I want you to notice is, see how cool all of these things are that we made? But look, I pre-made some. I did the same thing just before showing you how to do this. And if you notice, they are a little bit different. So it depends on what stamps you use. You'll get a different outcome. But either way, I think it is amazing. So let me know. What'd you think of the project? Did you make it on your own? I don't know about you, but when I figured out how to make these, and it's so quick, I mean, really quick, and you've got a bunch of genuine, authentic, one-of-a-kind tags or pockets. As you noticed, I cut that one wrong and made a pocket. I just think that it's so cool, and I'm going to do a bunch more. And we could do them in all different colors. It doesn't have to be the neutrals. It doesn't have to be black ink. We could even let that permanent black ink dry and then go back and spritz them with maybe some, distress oxide sprays, things like that. I mean, we could do a million things with these tags, but 12 by 12 plain scrapbook paper to fabulous one-of-a-kind tags. Mind blown. Thanks for being here, you guys. I really appreciate it. I do have a favor to ask you. Can you do two things for me? Number one, if you're not already subscribed, can you hit that subscribe button? And then if you want to be alerted when I do new videos, go to that little bell icon. And then can you click like on this video for me? That is the easiest way to support me. Also comments, even if it's just like a little heart in the comments or something like that, that also helps. Now, if you want to support me even more, which would be so amazing, I'm going to drop my link for my Ko-fi shop down in the description box. It is a place where you can go and buy me a coffee. Don't worry, I'm not going to spend the money on buying a coffee. It's actually to keep me able to do more of these videos for you and have a peruse around my shop, because there's all kinds of things in the shop. And if you have any special requests, because maybe something's out of stock, let me know. So I'll see you either tomorrow or the next day. God bless. Bye, guys.